Hello, here's my truck. I was just about to start it so I could take this concrete post back to the garden centre, and it won't start. It's gone very mild over the last day or so, and the engine is absolutely soaking wet. It's still wet up here, and I've blown it off with the air, and I've got the hot air gun blowing on the distributor, so I'm going to try and dry it off. But what I think might have happened is that I've also flooded it while trying to start it. I think the problem is because the ignition is damp. There's no insulation on these wires, you know, here. So I'm going to dry it off for a little bit. The battery's started to go a bit flat as well, so I've put the battery on charge, and I'll give it another go in a minute to try and start it in 5 minutes. You can see down the back of there how wet everything is. The whole engine looked like that when I came to it. It's gone very mild, and there was a lot of rain last night. Let's see if it'll go. Obviously I'm not set up for filming, so I'm just using my phone. I'm going to put my foot on the boards because it's probably flooded. It started. Okay, hang on. Get the steam coming off the manifold, look. Okay, that's good. It's running. Can you see all the steam coming off? Can you see all the steam coming off? So it'll do it good to give it a little drive, then won't it get some heat through it? Well, that's pretty good really. That was just 5 minutes blown off with compressed air, and then 5 minutes with the heat gun, and then and just chivied the battery up a little bit. Okay, I'll put everything away then. Right. Okay. The truck lives to fight another day. Okay, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.